January ni so pathum sang ni somni paruk ani Iran ram chhuahsan rawh ti in thupek an chuani thupek ti mai la thu chhuah an siam ani let dik ta chia mai US virtual embassy Iran te chuanin tuna hianin Iran chhuahsan rawh an tia chuan US jet fighter te hi Iran nai hianin vathok kul na satawani tuna hian Venezuela Trump che dan kan ria Iran apo hianin rol le donem achan chu mani lo ka po Iran nuclear facilities kha US te khanian vo bom to ni kha hemi chungchang hi he video hianin kan ria kang let's go.
Welcome back, viewers. You're watching Beyond World is One. I'm Shivan John. Now, this is News Point. Let's start with the headlines first. US fighter jets increase activity at Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar.
Qatar, let's go.
200 to 300 kilometers from Iran's border. Israeli
Iran border atanga hadzong hi kilometers an hi tanga zathum hnaiah le jet fighter tan phei chon thok zoi thei kha mi airbase atang kha mo Iran an bom tur hian an hoi lu tu ni US fighter jets including KC-135 tankers and B-52 bombers increased activity at Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar, just a few hundred kilometers from Iran's border. And nailutok tunay hianin US jet fighter te hi Iran and nailutok.
Media reports several US warplanes including KC-135 tankers and B-52 bombers took off from the base.
Hemi thona Al Udeid Air Base Qatar atang hianin an thok chuak ani training an nei don nge Iran border ve kha an bat thi thai nge kha chu kan threto chuang lo but hethina hi chu apoi mo chawani achan chu mania nikum mami engtik nge Trumpan Iran nuclear facilities sa bom kha nikum ani le der to nge nikum kum sang ni som ni parugani de thei hi thulom lai bo se nikuma abom to ni kha su wa chuani tunai hianin Trump hianin hei Iran protest te tunai hianin borok so sang na samai sia a in rol le lawang ti kha soi thei mi lo achan chu Trump hianin karon in rolang we are locked and loaded mo pangai taka he in biagram te in dorte kha kha chu kan in pe tin sipai chakna manga ronche to kan in pe thau te Trump pakha na soi mi me heu helai hi ujini sina min kom na video Halloween recommend ve ne he yo react zelang security
US
alert.
virtual embassy in Iran urges its citizens to leave the country immediately.
Oh hey apoy mo US virtual embassy Iran hianin aram mi puite US American sawi Iran chhuahsan turin thu chuaron siam hi van poi mo
suggesting travel by land to Armenia or Turkey as rights groups report at least 648 deaths in the government crackdown on
tuna hianin mi zaruk somli pariat velin nuna an chan to ani Iran boina hian mo chuanin US virtual embassy Iran ina thua chuanin Armenia le Turkey te hi tho theina chu thongai nam to lo shim to so Iran a chuan chuban chuanin motor manga Armenia motor ki pan turin tuna hianin US virtual embassy te hin Americans te hi thu a pe ani enga moni chu a thing do ni na langa chan chu US virtual embassy hian in ram mi puite tianga chhuahsan tura ti ni chuan mo I think something big is going to happen til enga moni ni tham taka theng do ni na lang mi thiruang mu tu rawa tam va
Two China-flagged super tankers sailing to Venezuela to pick up debt-paying crude cargoes make U-turns and head back to Asia. Shipping.
Today here in long lian tak China in register panni hi Venezuela lampaninan kalamaro chu anlet le ni news CNN Aaron report
shows signaling a delay in Venezuela's direct oil exports to China.
How? Apa happening long there? That's geopolitics tule.
US Senator Mark Kelly sues War Secretary Pete Hegseth, accusing him of violating Constitution.
Constitution dan both here US Senator Mark Kelly hianin War Secretary Hexet ahi
by seeking to punish the Democratic lawmaker over a video urging US military and intelligence personnel to refuse illegal orders.
This one to na hianin Bangladesh na pangpo hun buai nya. Bangladesh na pangpo hun buai khop mai to na hian. Kan ram chenom dei buai khop mai. Chan tu Bangladesh a khon cái ní số tiền cần sẽ lâu thì mấy thầy ama rồi chú hay cắt tiền thì mấy là social media for nghe chuyện này nghe follow hay là vay tiền không mà cho nên là WhatsApp status thế bộ Bangladesh quan Hindu ho tắm tắc in na an chan mấy cái này tụi này hiền anh bùi lấy tục Bangladesh cũng không.
A Hindu man identified as Samir Das beaten to death by a mob in Bangladesh. He worked as an auto rickshaw.
Hey news na aron report mấy chú ni ama rồi chú he palo po hi midang tamtak Hindu inuna an chan ve me kani Bangladesh a khwan
driver in Feni district. Total 12 Hindus have been killed in the country since December last year after the death of youth leader Sharif Osman Hadi.
Kakani Bangladesh lampang boy na pon shoot tel ezoi to da Delhi lampang ve Delhi po vot ma tu na hian 3 degrees Celsius ani me kana vo me le me Delhi po chuan tu na hianin Sudan lampang kan hoi bele thungang.
Sudan's paramilitary rapid support forces launch a drone strike on an army base in Sinjar, killing 27 people.
Sipai mun pu yan beya Sudan na paramilitary force te hianin misom ni pasarin nu na an chan ani drone manginan beya ni.
Day after the army aligned government returns to Khartoum from its wartime.
Katiang ka ani news kan han update zoi ni headline poi mo homo chuan tuna poi mo ber nia lang chu US virtual embassy na Iran ram kho pui chhuahsan tura ati hei le ti hian US virtual embassy Iran hianin American rami pui te Iran chhuahsan tura a hril mek lai hian tuna hianin United States lampang chuanin Iran border hnaiah an thlo theina an lo thlo kwaltir vuk mai bok lai hi hei hi pui don khop mai ani hemi hi tun tumbi ka tan kan react thei chu ni se video lai mu le theu don ya